Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delightful vegetable soup at home. We'll focus on creating a rich, flavorful broth and achieving a perfect consistency without relying on corn flour. This easy guide will help you prepare a wholesome and satisfying meal using fresh ingredients. You'll learn simple techniques to elevate your homemade soup, making it a comforting favorite for any occasion. To begin, gather your fresh produce. Think vibrant carrots, crisp celery, hearty potatoes, and perhaps some spinach or kale. A good quality vegetable broth or homemade stock is crucial for a rich base. Don't forget your aromatics. Finely dice 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic to build foundational flavors. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Start by sautéing your diced onions and garlic in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until fragrant. Then, add your harder vegetables like carrots and celery, cooking for a few minutes. Pour in your vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 20 minutes. For natural thickening, carefully remove about 1/3 of the cooked vegetables and blend them until smooth, then return to the pot. Now for the finishing touches. Taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Fresh herbs like parsley or thyme can add a wonderful aroma. For an extra layer of flavor, consider a small splash of lemon juice or a swirl of extra virgin olive oil just before serving. Ladle your delicious, homemade vegetable soup into bowls and enjoy it warm with some crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.